Are you on Facebook right now, or are you thinking about getting on Facebook to promote your business? Well, stay tuned. In this video, you're going to learn 8 ways to promote your business on Facebook. Hey you, I am so glad to see you again, and this is the third video of the series that I have launched, and this is the first time I've ever done a series. So what are your thoughts? Do you like the series so far? Did you watch the first one, which we covered on social media, which was just in general how to promote on social media, 8 ways which you could use for different platforms. The second video we did was we covered Instagram, so you learned 8 ways to promote your business on Instagram. And now today we are learning Facebook. So let's dive into the 8 ways that you can promote your business on Facebook. And if you're new here, my name is Christina Spohr, and I love helping small business owners, affiliate marketers, build their business online, not taking them away from their current opportunity, but showing them how to use certain tools and leverage them for their current business. So if you want to learn how to do that, make sure to click the link in the description, because I have personal coaching as well as a team, so you can just utilize the tools. And with that being said, I might be talking to you very soon. All right, let's dive into these 8 ways that you can promote your business on Facebook right now. The first tip is about your personal profile. So there are many different things you can do on Facebook, like groups and fan pages, but right now it's just the personal profile. So with this, you want to keep in mind that you can only have a limited number of friends. You can only have about 5,000. Facebook does not really want you to use it to promote your business. They want to use it as a personal profile, hence why it's called a personal profile. So these tips I'm going to give you are not to just bombard your audience on your personal profile with your content and selling your business, but showing how to highlight your business on your personal profile. So if your friends are interested in checking it out and going to, say, your business page or your group, then they can do that. So I'll pop up a picture on the screen, and you can see that this is my profile right here. And I have put my website there, I've put my YouTube, I've put my Instagram, and then I've also filled out a little bit information about myself. That way people can actually go find out more. And then you'll also see that I put my link to my fan page. So on my profile, I'm not necessarily telling people to buy from me or bombarding them. I'm just informing them and necessarily highlighting my life, what's going on. I might share stuff from my fan page, like, hey, I just published this video, check it out if you want to, stuff like that. So with a personal profile, just highlight your business, show people, hey, this is what I do, and post entertaining, encouraging things so people are like, what are they doing? I want to check out what they're doing. So they click on your fan page or your links and stuff like that and learn more from those. The second way you can promote your business on Facebook is using a fan page. If you don't have a fan page, you can, I'll put a picture on the screen, you can just go to the top on the home bar, it says create, and then create a fan page easily. Now, if you have a fan page right now and you're currently promoting on it and it's not getting much traction, consider the things you've been posting, consider how you've been engaging, because there's actually different personas. So like if I go on a fan page, it may show up as my personal profile and I can like it, but I can actually go and there's a little head, and I'll put up a picture for you as well so you can see it, and you can click it and pick which persona you want to like it, so I can like it as a fan page. So then those people will actually get attracted to that page, and it will build your audience over there as well. Now, of course, building your fan page is not just all about engagement, it's also about the things you post. So try posting things that people are interested in liking or could be valuable to your audience. So let's say you are a beauty consultant and you post you post all your makeup products. That is phenomenal, because yes, you're encouraging people to buy from you, but how are you different from other consultants because they're posting the same pictures? So maybe tweak it and make it unique. So like you're applying the product, or you're actually writing a blog post and educating your audience on why it's beneficial, for this product or something like that. That way they're like, okay, I learned something from this, and this is why I want to buy it, and not just because they saw the picture of it. The other cool features on a fan page are, say, below the banner there's like the little button, and you can actually put say appointments, you can say learn more, you can say visit a group. There's lots of options for you to promote your business in a different way. So you can say, I actually have them going to the new group I just created called the Ambitious Boss Squad. This group is meant to be for individuals who are growing their business, and it's a supportive, what is that noise going on? Something is going on outside. A supportive community of individuals who want to grow their business online, ask questions, things like that. And within the group, you actually get access to more personal training and in-depth training that I do that I would not necessarily do here. So you have to be in the group in order to access that. Now you also want to remember on your fan page, you want to fill out your about information, and then you can also add your website links and your social media. It's nice that Facebook and Instagram hook up, so it's easily if someone goes to your Facebook, they can actually go to your Instagram and check that out as well. Which if you're wondering how to promote on Instagram, make sure to watch that other video I did, 8 ways to promote your business on Instagram, and it'll show you special features on there that specifically are for Instagram. The third way you can promote your business on Facebook is to create a group. Just like I said, when you're creating a fan page, go to the same bar up top and go create a group. Now, if you have a group, you can do it for multiple different things. Groups can be for your teams, groups can be for just similar interests. I mean, whatever you want. There's so many different things out there that you can do. You can make it private, you can make it public, you can make it secret so no one can find it. And it's very cool because they're updating groups, and within certain ones like the social learning one, you can do units and track. So if you want to have certain courses or have them follow steps for you to do for your team, then that's important. That can help. Important, and it can help you. Stumbled over the words. So you'll see me looking down. These are my notes. So groups are a great way to connect with your audience, and say you can build your team, or you can use it to bring more awareness. So like I just have a group that's like for marketing secrets, and that's just it's a public group, and it's just where I post a bunch of tips and stuff, and it's only tips. I don't post like stuff about my life or anything, just so people can learn information about building a business online. Versus like I have the Ambitious Boss Squad, and that is the group where it's the group where people can communicate, and it's like I put my trainings in there and teach, and it's more personal. So it's up to you on like what you want to do for the groups, and you can create multiple groups if you want to. Just like multiple fan pages, you can create multiple fan pages. Oh, just a quick note. When I said create, let's just add to creating multiple pages, because you can create multiple fan pages and multiple groups. So, but it's important to keep it like within your audience or relevant. So let's say you are, into beauty, but yet you're interested in health as well. What if you created 2 different groups or 2 different fan pages that had those interests on there, and you can actually post about it and the audience would like it? Because what if, the people in the fitness, you attract men as well and not just women? The men might not want to see all the beauty and cosmetic stuff you do. So that's why it helps to keep it separate. So that was just my note on, keeping things grouped and niched together. And that is what I help people do when they come to me. I help them find their target market and how to attract customers to them. The 5th way you can promote your business on Facebook is to upload videos. So I do know that there's the share feature. So like I do like to share all the videos I do on YouTube, on YouTube to Facebook. But I also like to do a little clip for you on Facebook and just upload it, and then I'll put a link to the video, because I will say Facebook does penalize links in the comment section and stuff. So if you upload it, they'll reward it better, and it'll be more likely seen in the newsfeed. The 6th way you can promote your business on Facebook is using the story feature. Now, this is really cool because you can use story on your fan page or on your personal profile. And I do think you can use it in groups. I haven't messed with that. I think I saw something like that, like add a story to your group. I'll have to do more investigating for you before I talk about that. But definitely I've been messing with the fan pages story and the personal profile story. And it's cool because you can keep it separate. So we're like, sometimes I post something on my fan page, You can, you know, share it on your personal story, be like, just post this on my fan page, as opposed to bombarding your personal news feed with everything about your business. So your friends can just like peek at it and look at it, and it's not obnoxious. Because say your friends list is not your friend, say your friends are not people who are business associates, they're actual friends, then that's why it can get annoying, because then they'll like unfollow you instead of not just unfriend you, they'll just unfollow, so they don't see your stuff in the feed, because it can be annoying if you're not showing like your life, because that's why they followed you, is because they want to know about you, not what you're selling. Does that make sense? The other thing I really like about the story feature is it's able for you to stay consistent. You can continuously post on there, and people can check out what you're doing without you just bombarding the feed and it being lost down below, because you know, if you post 5 times a day, those posts get lost. Like, people aren't necessarily might scroll like down 20 photos. But if you have a story and you do like 10 pictures or something like that, that's up for 24 hours. So, you know, a lot of people will see that. The 7th way you can promote your business on Facebook is going live. Live is a great way to connect with your audience, because it's very raw. I will say it is different because you're live. So if something goes wrong, or you have to look for something, it may take a second for you to find it. Because like when I'm talking to you here, and if I, say I ramble on too much or do something, I might just take that out, because you'll be like, what the heck are you talking about, Christina? Like, I want to know about Facebook. I don't want to know about this. So for that reasoning, sometimes you'll see it like cut out. But on live, it's not like that. So the 8th way you can promote your business on Facebook is probably an obvious one, but it's the truth, 100%. It's engagement, because it's a social platform. So if all you're doing is just going on there and posting, and you're not actually liking, commenting, or engaging with the people that respond to your posts, much less your audience, because if you're starting out and don't have followers or don't have a huge fan base, who's going to see your picture if no one's following you or friends with you? So it helps to go actually engage and find people who are interested in what you're selling, and build trust with them, because they don't know about you. So you have to build some kind of authority, saying, hey, I know what I'm talking about. I can help you. Listen to me. But in a very professional, nice way. Not in a pushy way. Like, do it. Because think about it. People, they don't do things for you. They do it for themselves. So if you're forcing them to buy it because, hey, I need this, I want you to buy it from me, it's a great product, it has great benefits, it's like, okay, cool. Why do I need it? Why is it good for me? How's it going to benefit me? So it's important to address those concerns for your customer. Well, with that being said, you learned 8 ways to promote your business on Facebook. So let me know in the comments below, what was your favorite way to promote on Facebook? Did you learn something new? Is there something that you didn't know that was there? Let me know. That would be awesome. And don't forget to like this video and share it with other business owners who could use this information in their business right now. Like I said earlier, I help small business owners and affiliate marketers build their business online, their existing business right now. And if that sounds like it's something for you, make sure to click the link below so you can learn more and join the group. And this will show you how you can get access to the free resources, my training center, and everything. Or you can just go to my website and register right now. With that being said, I hope you loved this and learned a lot. And I will see you in the next video in a couple days, which will be all about YouTube, showing you how to promote your business on YouTube. Bye for now.